65 kilos. We're getting underway with our bronze medal matches. Sydney Perry, she'll be taking on Nurlan Kızı from Kyrgyzstan. Nice single leg there by Kızı. And good heavy hips, but she'll go out of bounds for 1 point. So Nurlan Kızı takes a 1 point lead. Perry with a hard.
Jay gelecetat. Esalo. Canı jarkın okuyalar. Balkim smartfonda жаңы kez keldi. Jay жоңгана жаңы нерсени каалайсыңбы? Муну уюштуруу оңой. Каалаган текна Jay Infinix смартфону сатып аласың. 600 сомдон башталган бөлүп төлөөнү таризде 1000 сом кэшбэкке бол. Кандай гана пайдалуу. Seni All-Store'дун бардык дүкөндөрүнө күтөбүз. Сага смартфон керекпи? Анда сага All-Store керек.
Collar tie snap now as she circles left. Inside single leg. Shelfs it. And another takedown. Kızı has a 3-point lead and a gut working to the right. Another 2 points. Makes it 5. Let's see if she can go. Head in the side, no good. Back up. There's a, short offense now with about a minute left in the first period, and Kızı still pulling. Perry with an underhook on the right-hand side. Elbow control with the left hand. There's a single leg attempt. And short offense now for Perry. And she just couldn't get her arm out to chase an angle there, so they'll go back to the center with 32 seconds left. Nice little fake by Perry. Nice single, and she got to the leg. Keeps her head up. 14 seconds left here in the first period to go. She can collect to the right. She might be onto something, but Kızı keeping her hips real heavy. And that'll do it for the first period. So 5-0 Kızı over Perry. Second period. Double from space for Kızı. She has her head caught in the center, and Perry doing a good job of creating a little bit of an angle now. Takes one hand off, or at least tries to. Referee bails her out of the situation. Underhook. Man, with her size and height, I'd be standing up with that underhook. Snap down for Perry. Can't get her to the ground though. 1:22 left. And high crotch attempt and a exposure and or takedown, whichever you want to call it. Scores for Kızı on the edge, so it's 7-0 now. Underhook again. That's what she should be doing with that underhook, is standing her up. Snap down from the position and back to that club and hook. She's going to have to get busy. There's 45 seconds left. She wants to win this thing. She's going to have to go big, I would assume. Maybe find herself in a lace. Inside trip attempt. And this official is asking Kizzy not to clamp down on that hook. I don't think she's going to oblige. I wouldn't. Inside trip attempt again. 20 seconds left. And Perry is running her down with a chest-to-chest position. And 5 seconds left. Kizzy hanging on tight. And she will finish the match on top and in style. So the bronze medal will go to Nurlan Kizzy from Kyrgyzstan. Excellent effort there by Perry.